Unveiling a symphony of innovation, we dive into Japan's electric guitar evolution, a tale that begins in the mid-20th century, when the land of the rising sun echoed with the first strum of an electric guitar. These sonic marvels, initially inspired by American designs, soon found their unique rhythm. Japanese artisans masterfully combined traditional craftsmanship with modern technology, creating instruments that were not just aesthetically pleasing, but also sonically superior. From the legendary Les Paul models to the innovative Stratocasters, Japan's electric guitars have been embraced by renowned musicians across the globe, becoming an integral part of their sound and style. Today, Japan's electric guitars are not just instruments. They're icons of cultural expression, symbols of technological prowess, and above all, harbingers of unforgettable melodies. So, the next time you hear an electric guitar, remember, you're not just listening to music. You're experiencing a piece of history, a testament to Japan's relentless pursuit of perfection. Unveiled the magic yet? Well, there's always more to discover. Subscribe, like, and share to stay tuned in to the rhythm of innovation, because the evolution of Japan's electric guitars is a song that never ends. Video credit goes to TurboSRTech.